Hello, and welcome to CEU's Career Services. My name is Heather, and I'm here to guide you through how we support your career journey at CEU. We are dedicated to helping you think about, plan, and take action when it comes to your future. Let me show you how we do this. At CEU, we offer a range of personalised services. Our platforms, Handshake and Career Next, provide you with exclusive job opportunities and career management tools. In fact, we are the first university in Austria and one of only a few in Europe to use Handshake. As a career management platform, Handshake allows you to not only book appointments and events, but to personally connect with employers and find diverse career opportunities. All of our resources and events are planned and designed using the NACE career readiness competencies. Our career development model helps you to know yourself by identifying your values, priorities, skills, and challenges. You'll explore and research various career paths, industries, organisations, and further study options. We help you set concrete goals and timelines and guide you through developing skills, building connections, applying, and gaining experience. Partnering with a diverse range of employers, we bring real-world opportunities directly to you. It's never too early to start thinking about your career. Consider questions like, what do I enjoy doing? What am I good at? What are my priorities? And what do I not want to do? Our graduates go on to work across the globe in various different fields and for many different organisations. And our help doesn't stop once you graduate. As an alumnus of CEU, you will still have access to all of our services. In fact, we maintain close connections to our alumni who often participate in our career events, helping current students to learn from their experiences. At CEU, we are here to support you every step of the way. Your career future starts now. Let's embark on this journey together.